It looks small, simple, almost forgettable. Just a folding shovel. But in World War II, this tool saved German soldiers' lives. America copied it, but missed the real reason it mattered.
To German soldiers, it was essential. Not equipment, survival gear. It dug cover in minutes, not hours. That speed meant life. German doctrine emphasized movement. Stop, dig, survive. The folding shovel worked while kneeling, lying down, under fire. It fit the way Germans fought. U.S. shovels were larger, heavier, stronger. Great for camps, terrible under bullets. Digging took longer. Eventually, the U.S. noticed. Germany's shovel folded, packed easily, moved fast. So America copied it. But copying shape isn't copying purpose.
German soldiers were trained to dig instantly. No waiting, no orders. Cover came first. American troops often dug later, when fighting slowed. Same tool, different thinking.
The Klappspaten wasn't just for dirt. It cut, smashed, saved lives in close combat. German training included this. American manuals rarely did. This wasn't about a shovel. It was about philosophy. Germany planned for constant danger. Every soldier survived alone if needed. Tools matched that mindset. The U.S. relied on support. Artillery, air power, vehicles. Digging fast mattered less, so the shovel felt optional. Wars aren't just won by weapons. They're shaped by habits, training, small decisions. A folding shovel reveals all of that.
America copied the tool. Germany built the mindset. Design without doctrine is incomplete. In war, how you use something matters more than owning it.